Welcome to the cost equation. By the end of this ACLET, you should be able to state and use the cost equation. In the Classify Costs by Behaviors ACLETs, you learn that a cost can behave as a fixed cost, one that stays the same in total regardless of how many units are or aren't produced. Or a cost can behave as a variable cost where the per unit amount stays the same, so the total variable cost increases or decreases as the number of units produced increases or decreases. You also know that manufacturing costs can be classified as direct costs, direct materials and direct labor, or as indirect costs, overhead. Here's a formula that shows the relationship among the types of manufacturing costs. Total manufacturing costs equal overhead or indirect costs plus direct cost per unit times number of units produced. Generally, indirect costs tend to behave as fixed costs, and direct costs tend to behave as variable costs. So we can show the same formula using cost behaviors in place of cost types. Total costs equal fixed costs plus variable cost per unit times number of units. This form of the formula is called the cost equation. We'll use the cost equation when we separate a mixed cost into its variable and fixed components using the high-low method. This concludes the ACLET, the cost equation. Go to the high-low method, part 1, to learn how to use the high-low method.